How to make a custom business email easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to make a custom business email. So let's get started. First, what I want you guys to do is simply go to workspace.google.com and you will land right here. Today, I'll show you how you can create a business email using Gmail. So it's really easy to do, and if you have a Google account, then this is a piece of cake for you. A business email makes it easier to stay on top of the work that matters with secure, ad-free email as a foundation. You can also chat, make voice or video calls, and stay on the top of the project work with a shared file and task. So with Gmail, we're getting all of these different options. You can build your customer trust by giving everyone in your company a professional email address that has our own domain name. For example, you have a website known as Sway Closet. So what you can do is you can actually get a business email. For example, you have a team member Max, so you can say Max Johnson at swaycloset.com. So that is how professional a business email looks, and it also represents what our business is. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Once you get to Google Workspace, you will get started option right here. Click on get started. Alright, first of all, let's get started. You have to enter your business name. This is where you will be entering your domain name, or you can enter your simple business name that you have. Alright, I have entered a business name. Then we have number of employees, including you. So the number of employees are 2 to 9. And then you have to select your region. So what I'm going to do is we can select from our country here. You can also see we are not just signing up for a business email, we are actually getting our own Google Workspace. So we will be getting our Google, mail, of course, calendar, drive, meet, and a video. Once done, click on next. What's your contact info? This is where you will enter your first name, last name, and current email address. This is going to be a simple email address that you have. So I have entered my information. Click on next. Does your business have a domain? Now this is important because with the domain comes .com or .info. That's our domain name. If you have a domain name, you will click on yes, I have one. If you do not have one, you will click no, I need one. So I will actually show you both of these. First, let's go with no, I need one. So it will take you to search for domain names with Google Workspace. So what we're going to do is I'm going to search for a domain name that I'm looking for, which is swaycloset.com. Let's search for it if it's available. So you can see it is actually available, and we can go with sales@swaycloset.com, and this is going to be my domain name. And this is going to be $12 per year. This is not that expensive. It's very affordable. You can also go for other domain names. For example, if you want to search for, let's say if you do not find one, meta.com. Okay. If this is not available, they will actually show you that the other ones that are available. For example, if .com is not available, .org, .info, then you will get .in, .homes, .community, .tools, and each of the different domain has its own price, and it is per year price on Google Workspace. So this is how you will find your domain name. I'm just gonna get back to the one that I have, swaycloset.com. Okay, so it is available, and now I can click on next. It will take me to enter my business info, where we have to enter our street address line 2, city, postal code, and our business phone number. Then click on next. Once you enter the information, then we have stay up to date. I'm going to click on OK, or you can say no, thank you. Now you will sign in with your username and password. This is for your Google Workspace account, and create your own business email address. So you can see I am getting at swaycloset.com. You can see right here, this is going to be my email now. And we can just sign in like this. So for me, it is going to be my name at swaycloset.com, and I will set up a password. Select I am not a robo, agree, and continue. Now this is where you will enter your payment info to buy the domain name that you just selected, review and check out, agree and continue. And then you will get your own domain name. You will get your own business email, which is .com or any other name with Google Workspace. So this is how we do it. It's super easy. Just click on agree and continue, and you will get your dream business email with Google Workspace. Now, let me show you if you already have a domain name, then how you can sign up for a custom email. You will click on yes, I have one I can use, and you will enter your domain name here. Click on next. Google will find the domain name for you. And then you can continue with this, but you will not pay Google for the domain name because you already have one and you will just create your own business email. With Google Workspace, you will be getting a lot of other options with a business email that will help you manage your business better. You will get your own custom email with your domain. You will get your cloud-based no installation storage. Then we have advanced security, and you will also be getting Google Calendar, Drive, and Google Meet. So go ahead and check out Google Workspace to get your own custom business email. Once your business email is created, it will look like this because it is powered by Gmail. With business email, we actually get more options where we can create our spaces. Then we have our own Google Meets integrated. We can also integrate other Google apps to our simple Gmail as well. To compose, it's going to be very similar. You can just compose your emails right here, just like you do on your simple Gmail. So you can integrate and add files, you can add documents, and you can upload files from your drive, add subject, and two, you can create groups, add chats and spaces for different team members. So this is actually really good feature in Gmail that's available. And what I can do is I can click on create space, and it will allow me to enter a space name. Let's just call it test. Then we can enter a description, enter the email addresses of a group or different people that I want to add to the space. Click on create and your space will be created on Gmail. Similarly, we can create different labels and tags to customize and manage our mails. So click on the label option and you can add a label of, let's say, important. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the label right here, and we can use a label under as well. Click on create and a new label will be created. So once it's done, what you can do is you can add different email that you get into a simple label, and then you will be able to find it right here with other labels that we have, other tags, and we will be able to manage our Gmail better. We can also create promotional emails with our Gmail, forums, social, and more with our own business Gmail. So it's a hub for our business that is actually really good. As I showed you, you can go ahead and get started for free as well. Add your domain name and have a professional business email for the business that you are running. You can also update by buying the mail, and you can actually buy the storage with the Gmail. So what you can do is you can go to your account section, go to your drive, and you can actually buy more storage for your Gmail as well. Because what happens is when we upload something from our drive, it depends on the storage as well. So you can increase it by buying it from, Google Drive, and this is actually not that expensive. You can buy it for like $10 or $12, and you will have more storage for your business email and your drive. I hope that I was a big help to you guys, and now you know how to get a custom business email. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.